In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly recover a page you may have accidentally deleted from your Canva document. Mistakes happen, and that's okay. The key here is not to panic, as there are simple ways to retrieve your work without breaking a sweat. So let's dive into this quick and easy guide that will have you back to designing in no time. First things first, you'll want to go to your Canva document. For those of you who might be unfamiliar with Canva, it's an incredibly user-friendly online design tool that's perfect for creating everything from presentations to social media graphics. If you're looking to start up, simply open your browser and head over to Canva's website. Once there, navigate to the document where you think a page may have been deleted. Consider this your creative zone, a space where every element comes together to build your unique design. Let's imagine you're deep into the creative process when, oops, you accidentally delete a page. It can happen with an unintentional click, but fear not, the solution is just a few steps away. To undo this accidental deletion, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the undo button. This handy feature is positioned right at the top left corner of your Canva interface. With a single click on the undo button, you can effortlessly reverse your last action. But if you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts, and let's be honest, who doesn't want to speed up their workflow, there's an even quicker way to achieve this. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and Z simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut is a universal undo command across many applications, and using it in Canva is no exception. It's a quick fingertip dual action that instantly reinstates the deleted content, saving you from starting over or scrambling to remember what went missing. And just like that, you're done. It really is as simple as clicking a button or tapping a couple of keys. With your page restored, you can breathe a sigh of relief and carry on with your creative project, whether it's adding new design elements, revising existing ones, or completing your entire document. Remember, mistakes are part of the creative process, and with tools like this at your disposal, you can handle them with ease. That's all it takes to undo a page deletion in Canva. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this straightforward guide provided you with some added confidence in managing your Canva projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with your friends or colleagues who might also benefit. Keep designing, and remember, undo is always just a click or a key press away. Enjoy your creative endeavors and see you in the next video.